Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually dropping the F80 off today at Olympus Wheel Repair. We're actually dropping the car off so the wheels can get sandblasted and clear coated. So I think it should be like a week without the F80, which is a long time for any car guy, but I can't wait to get these wheels clear coated. It's gonna be such a game changer. It's gonna make cleaning the wheels so much easier and maintaining them. And it's just gonna look so much cleaner with that glossy clear coat finish. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, my name's Viet. I wanna welcome you to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for future car content. All right, change of plan. The shop actually moved, so it is 12:30 on a Saturday afternoon, and they close at 1. So I gotta go rush over there real quick because I have plans today. But yeah, kind of unfortunate because it's on the other side of town, but I'm already committed to dropping my car off and leaving the car with them to get it done. So I'm gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen today for sure. All right, so here's the real shop, Olympus Wheel Repair. Catch up with you guys after. All right, that's it. He said I have the option to do whatever color I want because he said he's gonna have to separate the wheel regardless to make it, you know, like a flush paint and finish. So I have a couple days to decide. I'm gonna go home and contemplate my life's decisions, if I want to go black, gold, stay this color, and just clear over it. But yeah, next time you guys see this car, next time we go pick up, it's about to be either the same color or a different color, so stay tuned. I'm actually pretty excited, but I have no idea what I'm gonna go with. So if you guys are in Orlando, Olympus Wheel Repair and Machine Shop, he said he should have the wheels separated by next Thursday, so like a few days from now, and then I should have the car back probably like within a week and a half. So that is that. I'll catch up with you guys then, and I'll give you guys any updates in between.
2 weeks later.
Yo, we are back with the car. Just started it up for the first time, so it's warming up right now. There is a BMW outside playing music extremely loud, so that's why I'm inside the car right now. But yo, the wheels look sick. Shout out to Olympus, again, rim repair and machinery. Hit them up if you guys need anything done to your wheels, need them refinished, powder coated, if you have any curb rash or anything like that. But here we go, let me show you guys what we're working with. We got the polished lip and the clear coated face. Damn, that looks so sick. Let's show the other side. God damn, looks so sick. It changes the whole look of the car. One, because the wheels are so shiny, the car's dirty, but damn, I fucking love it. Let me switch the cameras real quick, and then I'll give you guys a better look. All right, let me know what you guys think. Sheesh. Polished lip, and then we did a raw finish, and we clear coated over top of it. Give you guys a better look. In the sun, looks absolutely amazing. Sets it off from the whole car. All right, we are back in the car right now, and I just can't stop smiling. I fucking love how they turned out. I will get you guys some better video and some more B-roll a little later. I'm actually on the way home right now. I got somewhere to be, so I gotta rush home. But I will definitely get you guys some more footage, get you guys a better walk around and videos of the wheels and some other lighting. But man, I am pumped. They look so sick, so different than what I'm used to, like that raw finish that wasn't clear coated. So obviously it's gonna take some time to get used to, but the clear coat looks so sick on top. It's gonna be so much easier to clean now. Polished lip. Yo, the polished lip just sets it off. I also have a huge smile on my face right now because it's been 2 weeks without my car. Actually 2 weeks exactly. So I'm just happy to be back in my car driving it again. I mean, it feels so good to be back. You know, any car guy knows. 2 weeks without your car. is a long time, especially when we don't live up north and don't have to lock it up like some of you guys watching. 2 weeks without the car has been brutal. Shout out to my fiance though for letting me whip her Kia Forte around. Things like a little go-kart, so it was super fun to drive around. Super good on gas, but I'm glad to be back in the F80. You already know. Your boy's back. Now we can start filming more content that we have planned for BMW Invasion and just keep cranking out these videos. Let's go. God, it feels good to drive this car again. Rip it on the highway, rip it around town. I'm so glad to be back in the car. It is a beautiful day. I hope you guys are having a good day as well. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. I should have recorded my like genuine reaction, but there was a lot going on with like the Uber driver, the shop closing down, so I just had to go in, pay, and then get out of there real quick. Can't stop smiling. What's up YouTube? Checking in with you guys the next day. Yo, every time I look at the car, it just grows on me and grows on me and grows on me. Yesterday I had to let it sink in for real, because I am not used to how shiny and glossy these wheels are. But man, check it out for yourself, guys. That looks so hard. Let's go. Yeah, it takes me a while because obviously this finish is a lot lighter than before. Like that raw metal finish was a little darker, kind of like a gunmetal, but these are kind of like liquid silver, even though this is actually what the raw finish is like. It's just a clear over top. So I opted for this one instead of the dark clear, just to be a little different, just to stand out a little more, and I think it pops. And as you guys can see, that polish lip, that is so gangster. It looks so sick. They killed it. I didn't get to record much yesterday because I had family in town, but shout out to Olympus Wheel Repair for absolutely killing it. I mean, let me know in the comments down below, but look at that right there. Just added some tire shine. God damn. I'm so hyped. Yo, it's fucking crazy. I can't believe how good it turned out, for real. On top of just having my car back, I just can't get over how good these look. Again, it's like a liquid silver, raw clear, whatever you want to call it, but it looks so good. I'm so hyped to have these clear coated, for real. Like I said before in this video, it's gonna make cleaning these wheels and maintaining the shine so much easier. I'm also gonna be doing a ceramic coating video after this one, so stay tuned for that. I gotta make sure to wash the whip, wash the wheels, deep clean them, make sure they're ready so that the ceramic coat bonds to the clear coat, of course. But yeah, that is gonna come next. But woo, it looks so good. I can't get over it still. It's just so sick to look at. They're so glossy, so shiny from the clear coat, and then the polished lip just kind of blinds you, but it looks so sick. I keep saying it in my head over and over again every time I look at the car. It looks so good. The contrast just pop, everything's just glistening. In different lighting, it just looks sick as well. But wow. But yeah, I love them. Love how they turned out. Give you guys a little close-up of the wheel. So yeah, this is a raw finish, as you guys can see by that, the lines going through. That's just the raw metal, and then they clear coated over top of it. It's hard to see, but it's so glossy, so smooth. And then that polished lip. It's so sick. Polished lip. Now I know why polished lips are so popular. This is definitely the way. And then he actually polished like my valve stem caps for me. Super sick. And then I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but the barrels are also a raw finish, but he also clear coated over top of that as well. So again, it's gonna make cleaning and maintaining these wheels so much easier, which I'm so hyped for. Especially since they'll be ceramic coated. I mean, I can't wait for weekly washes, for real. And then I also ordered a stud conversion from Motorsport Hardware. Shout out to them. So that should be coming in this week as well. So stay tuned for that video. It's probably gonna be after the ceramic coating video, or maybe I'll just combine the two. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. All right, just got done shooting a couple clips of B-roll, as well as some pictures for Instagram. We also have a student driver over here learning how to drive. So yeah, shout out to that dad for teaching his daughter how to drive. I remember when my dad showed me, but might as well, since we're here, give you guys a couple revs, because I have a lot of people asking how the exhaust setup sounds and how I like it. Sounds freaking good. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna do another boot mode video adjusting my burbles, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I might turn the OEM competition burbles on in sport mode and then leave them off in Sport Plus like how they are now. I think the exhaust setup, the downpipe sounds so good. Super happy with the turnout. But yeah, I'll definitely do an exhaust video soon for you guys. One video comparing each of the setups in our group, and then another video with just my setup, like some POV driving. So yeah, we got videos planned. Beautiful day here in Orlando. All right, I'll try to open her up for you guys. Just one little baby pull. Lost some traction there. All right, we are back in the garage now. As you guys can see, made it back home. Give you guys just one more look before we wrap this video up. So glad to have the F8 back in the garage. Yes, sir. You know, I gotta show you guys the other side with the LED lights. Woo. Wow. Sick. So sick. Freaking love how they turned out. Believe it or not, it's actually cold in Florida. That's gonna effectively wrap up this wheel refinish video. I don't even know what I'm gonna title it, but these are the HRE S101 version 2. I'm super happy again with the turnout. Shout out to Olympus Wheel Repair here in Orlando. I'll make sure to leave their information in the description below. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for future videos. I actually have the Deluxe from CarPro, the ceramic coating right here. So stay tuned. We are going to get these wheels dialed in, get them ceramic coated. So yeah, you guys don't want to miss out. And then I just have a bunch of videos planned. Trying to crank out 2 videos a week still, like I said before. And we're also trying to prep for BMW Invasion, February 19th. I hope to see all of you guys there. But that's gonna effectively wrap up this video. I keep saying this week's video, but I forget we're cranking out 2 videos a week now. So we'll see you on the next video. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe for future car content, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the refinish of my HRE wheels. I freaking love them. Again, it took me some time to get used to, but now I freaking love them. They're show ready and they look so good. But that's gonna do it for this video. Take care. Peace.